What's good, guys? It's your boy G the Nero, and today is a nice day out in Cleveland, even though the weather's always shitty this time of the year, but it was nice out today, so I washed the car up and decided to make a video about it. So it's a 2012 Dodge Charger Pursuit with the 5.7, has about 96,000 miles on it, and I got it pretty cheap, but long story short, I had to put a lot of work into this thing. So I'm hoping you guys can still hear me all right, because this is the other side, but assuming you can hear me good, the car did have holes from being an ex-police car. I got them all filled up. There's a spotlight hole here. There's holes on both sides of the door. There's holes on the roof. You can't tell now though. There was holes on the trunk. It's all types of stuff, but I had the body shop touch it up. Shout out to them. It's 303 Enterprise, and that's in Ohio. It's in the Euclid area, I believe, but they did a really good job. So shout out to them. The car looks beautiful. Right now, it does have stock exhaust. I did just get some quad tip exhaust tips in the mail today. I ordered them yesterday, and they came today. So putting the quad tips on soon, along with the muffler and resonator delete, so the exhaust will sound beautiful once it's done. That'll be probably in the next week or two. I'll make a separate video for that. But yeah, other than that, there's not too much. The car has a 392, like I said, camshaft from the 6.4 SRT. It does make about 400 horsepower, I believe, up to 410. It would make more if I put headers in, but I just wanted the car to run since the cam was already shot. I'll be putting headers in sometime in the future. I'm not sure when. But yeah, right now that's really it. The interior is pretty stock. All the holes and stuff is gone, so you can't really tell it was an ex-police car. You know, it has the cloth seats. It has the aftermarket console center. Still has the 4-inch screen. I'm gonna put an 8-inch one soon. But yeah, the back, they're all cloth seats. Nothing special inside at all. But yeah, that's my 2012 Dodge Charger Pursuit 5.7 Hemi, you know. I can let you guys hear the exhaust, but it's not much. Also, we might as well pop the hood, right? My 5.7 Hemi. I'm gonna be putting an oil catch can on as well soon too, but that's the engine, tick, tick, tick. And I'll give her a good rev. Basically, the start, it needed a cam and lifters, which I did not know at the time of the purchase, but I was prepared for it because I bought it for a really low price with the mileage it had. So I kind of figured it was gonna need it, especially considering with the idle hours it has. This thing has like 7,600 idle hours, which means it was sitting turned down a lot. So the lifters were just getting eaten up sitting there. Because if you guys don't know, the Hemis have a flaw with the camshaft and lifters, but that's for a different video. We're just making a video on my little walk around. But I had it for some time. I got the cam and lifters repaired, a bunch of other crap, but I put a 392 6.4 cam in there, non-MDS, and replaced the lifters, push rods, the spring valves. So it runs great right now. No engine lights. It's tuned with Diablo Trinity. It's tuned by this place. I'll put them in the description below. BNFY Performance, that's right. They installed it and tuned it. They had a really good price for the work I needed done, and the car runs great. It has ever since I got it done. So I highly recommend them if you're in the area. All right, guys, so that was it for my video. Just a short little walk around to show you what I'm working with. I've had this car for a few months, and it's been tucked away because I wanted to get the body work done, and I wanted the engine working fine so I could do a video on it. And now I can finally start modding it. Some plans I have for it, aside from the exhaust, which I already told you guys about. I'm gonna be getting the SRT front end and back end bumper, a spoiler, some rear window louvers, the 8-inch screen like I said, some red leather seats, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So just make sure you guys stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will be posting more videos on the car as well as other content because I make a bunch of other stuff on my channel. But if you're just here for the cars, I'll be doing a lot of car videos soon. So stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Going fast, skirt, skirt, hit the pedal and I'm ready. This a Dodge that I'm whipping, not a Ford or a Chevy. Want a foreign I can race, when I'm rich I'm getting plenty. Need the racks up to my roof until they fall from being heavy. Adrenaline in my blood, love the rush of being risky. Bad bitch, riding passenger, she love to get real frisky. Fendi belt on my waist, take it off, she getting busy. Hitting donuts in the lot, motion blur, we getting dizzy. She say I'm toxic all the time, but I cannot agree with that. We don't have to fall in love, I just want the pussy cat. She got a lot of attitude, she be acting like a brat. Got the RT with the V, but I wanna get the sky.